Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see blocked accounts on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. Now go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Here, click on the menu button on the top right corner. Here you can see a bunch of options. You'll have to click in the privacy option. Now click in the blocked option. And here you can see the accounts that you had blocked. And that is how you can easily see blocked accounts on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.